Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join class in Google Classroom app. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Google Classroom. It's this app right here, and we can press on the install button. After the installation process complete, we can open the app. Press on Get Started. From here, select the email you want to bound the classroom with. And I have only one, so I'm picking this one. Press OK. Now press on this plus button, and in order to join the class, press on the Join Class. Here you will need to enter the class code, which you should be provided with, and after doing that, press Join, and you should be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.